Are you feeling bloated? Does your gut feel a little bit heavy? This juice is going to help fix bloating, fix digestion, and give you that all-round energy you need. You're going to get a natural reset for your gut health by using simple ingredients I buy at affordable prices. I'm no wellness expert. I'm simply choosing to live a healthier life. I'm taking you on this journey real time. Let me show you how I put it together. Thank you so much for sharing and liking and commenting on this video. This was a gut health recipe that I did a few weeks ago and the performance has been amazing. If you haven't watched that video, it's linked in the description below. If there are any juice recipes you want me to create, pop it in the chat and let me know. I bought the papaya on Friday and by Tuesday it started to ripen. I had to freeze it. And so today I am showing you frozen papaya. Papaya has natural enzymes. It's great to absorb and digest your food and the nutrients from it. We have cucumber. Cucumber is wonderful if you want to be nourished. It's hydrating. It's really good on your digestion and it's great for flushing things out of the system. I have a new video that I'm going to be dropping this Saturday and it's all around making sure that you can stay hydrated. So if you're interested in making sure that you can watch that, hit subscribe. Now, what do we have next? Now we have pineapple. Pineapple is a natural sweetener. It's frozen. Pineapple, it's exactly the same in regards to the benefits for papaya. We have fresh carrots. In a previous video, I actually used frozen carrot pulp. If you want to know what that looked like, I've put the link below. Head over after you've watched this live. So here are the fresh carrots. Now next up is an underrated ingredient, Callaloo. It's full of antioxidants and it's packed with vitamins. We have ginger. Now ginger is great for getting the system going, keeping it moving, helping with the digestion. I'm going to put these in there. And next up we have turmeric. Now normally people put like a little bit of a dash in there. Yeah, I'm not trying to do that. I'm going to be doing this. Okay, that's what we do there. Turmeric is good as a gut inflammation and healing enzyme for you. And I've just realized, folks, that I didn't tell you about the carrots.
What's so great about carrots, Natalie?
It adds fiber. It's also a natural sweetener like pineapples, and it's great to support your gut lining naturally. These are all of the ingredients. Now I'm going to put a little bit of water in there. I'm actually quite excited when we start the blending. I want to see if we have that awesome orangey color that we had last time we did a gut health recipe. In my next live, I'm going to be putting together ingredients that's going to help you glow naturally. From now on, these lives are going to be more practical and I'm going to be showing you each and every live, maybe a new ingredient, or it could be a request from a viewer. It's going to be ingredients that are affordable and that you use every single day. Now, you know, for my usual people that are here quite often, I normally do this for about 2 to 5 minutes, but for the sake of the live, I'm actually going to do it for about 1 or 2 minutes. Hopefully I get the right texture and then I can show you. I can't wait to see what the color is. It's not as rich and as bright and as orangey as the other one. I wonder if it's because I put the Callaloo in. I'm going to put it on for another minute and then I'll be back and then you're going to see me taste it live. Fingers crossed. We are going to now try it. So here you go. Not as orangey as rich as the other. I'm hoping that it tastes really, really good. But what you have in here are the following ingredients. You've got papaya, cucumber, pineapple, carrot, callaloo, ginger and turmeric. These ingredients are going to help fix the bloating. It's going to help with digestion. It's got natural enzymes that's going to break down the food and absorb the nutrients. Are you ready for Nats to try it? Okay. Oh yeah, I can taste the cucumber that makes it really light. And then the turmeric, it's just giving it a little bit of heat. This is amazing. Now, I know some people are thinking,
Wow, is that really a juice, Natalie?
I like the in-between. I may juice it for a couple more minutes and then, you know, it becomes less of a smoothie. But sometimes, boy, I just enjoy, you know, the pulp. I really, really do. These are ingredients that are so affordable. Sometimes I freeze them because I want the fruits and vegetables to last. If you're new to juicing or you're thinking to yourself, I want to start creating gut juices, but I don't know where to start, maybe you should start with this recipe. Let me know if you do decide to do it in the comments. I have a free ebook on my website if you're looking to fix bloating, reset your gut, focus on being more hydrated. That's the book for you. All you need to do is click and download. No, you don't have to sign up for anything. If you liked the content and what I'm sharing, you know what to do. You can hit subscribe. And if you know of anybody else that have decided in 2025, I'm going to live a more healthier life and I'm going to start with juicing, let them know about this channel. This Saturday is no live. I'm going to be dropping a video on another juice recipe, how to stay hydrated and how to make sure that you have the right amount of energy that is natural and not artificial. And in 2 weeks' time, I'm going to be back. And if you're looking to make sure that your skin keeps glowing or you don't know how and you want to do it naturally, that is the life for you. I'm going to actually be using an ingredient as well that I haven't used on camera. So I'm really excited to show you that ingredient and the benefits of using that. Big up yourself, Sam. Sam Richmond was already online waiting for the live to start. He said, ready Nat, happy Saturday. Happy scrumptious Saturday to you as well. Big up my regulars, Passionoi Clubhouse, for always being here. That's it for the moment. Remember to learn, love and live. Stay blessed.